Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Meet baby Jack. He survived a stroke and fought through 4 open heart surgeries. Alpacas can die of loneliness when purchased. They always need to be bought in pairs. The pathologist who made Einstein's body's autopsy stole his brain and kept it in jar for 20 years. A brain-dead woman was kept alive in 1991 because she was pregnant. She later gave birth to a healthy baby boy. In 1998, Sony accidentally released a night vision camcorder that had the ability to see through people's clothes. When Alien was first screened to the audiences, users fainted, people vomited, and some even ran screaming out of their theaters. 2 popsicles were created during the Great Depression so that 2 children could share a treat for just a nickel. There is a type of music called binaural beats that can make you high and trigger special dreams. Your brain tricks you into seeing yourself 5 times attractive in the mirror that you actually are. We produce a lot of saliva just before vomiting in order to protect our teeth from erosion due to the acidity of the vomit. When you kiss someone for the first time, you get a spike in the neurotransmitter dopamine, making you crave more. The first self-made female millionaire in the US was a black woman. A mother in 1980 and her daughter in 2014. The expiration date on bottled water is for the bottle, not the water. Beards can slow the aging process by stopping water from leaving the skin, keeping it moisturized. 2 witches in the 1920s, they possessed many people and cast spells on numerous people. The biggest bird to ever exist was the flightless elephant bird, which is now extinct. When you die, you have 7 minutes of brain activity left, which is your brain playing back memories in a dream sequence. The General Sherman tree in the giant forest is approximately 2,200 years old. A man who was attacked and beaten outside of a bar turned into a maths genius. The double-leg amputee war veteran in the film Battleship is played by an actual double-leg amputee war veteran. Research shows that hearing your mother's voice even over a phone call can cause a rise in oxytocin levels and quickly relieve stress. Pirates probably did not wear eye patches because of a missing eye. A study found that 1 in 4 young adults in the US will be single for life. In China, women who are unmarried by their late 20s or 30s are called shengnu, which means the leftover woman. Stress kills your brain. Smoking hookah is no safer than smoking cigarettes. To avoid being hurt by sharks, marine iguanas can stop their own hearts for up to 45 minutes. The international flag of planet Earth. Agoshima is an isolated village in Tokyo. This is what rain looks like from an airplane. For the first time in history, airplane successfully landed an ice runway in Antarctica. Baby dolphin dies after being passed around for selfies. If four-dimensional beings exist, they can see you no matter where you hide. This is a pair of fully inflated lungs of a horse. During the last scenes of REC, the actor had to work in complete darkness. You can find traces of gold in the hair of newborn children. The Nicobar pigeon is the closest living relative to the extinct dodo bird. A live straw is a filter designed to filter water so that user can drink it safely. 500 years of walking up the marble stairs of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The difference between having knowledge and having experience. Chocolate, cheese and red wine can help you live longer according to science. 70,000 women worldwide die each year from backstreet abortions. George Washington did not have wooden teeth. They were made of gold, ivory, lead, human and animal teeth. Women can give birth even after death. This is called coffin birth. It cost 200 crore approximate to make Grand Theft Auto V. Thanks for watching.